In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Facebook. If you're eager to enhance your Facebook experience with advanced AI features, you're in the right place. First, let's make sure your Facebook app is up to date. For those using Android devices, open the Google Play Store, and for iPhone users, head to the App Store. Search for Facebook, and you'll likely see an update option if a new version is available. Simply tap the update button and wait for the process to complete. After the update, open the Facebook app. Do keep in mind that Meta AI features are available only on newer app versions from April 2025 onward. Once your app is updated, let's find the Meta AI search bar, a key feature you won't want to miss. Open Facebook, and at the very top of your home feed, you should see a distinctive blue-purple glowing search bar. It might display a prompt like, Ask Meta AI anything. Tap on that bar, and you'll be ready to start your AI journey. You can ask questions like, what are the best restaurants in Manila? Or summarize the latest AI news. You can also request creative help, such as, give me caption ideas for my new photo. Next, let's explore using Meta AI within Messenger. Launch the Messenger app on your device. Here, you can either tap the blue Meta AI icon or type Meta AI in your chat list to start a conversation with the AI. Once you open the chat, feel free to type any message or command. An exciting example is typing, imagine a cozy home office setup, and you'll see text or images generated instantly. For group chats, you can even tag the AI directly by using @MetaAI for seamless integration. Now, if you're interested in generating AI images on Facebook, you're in luck. In either your Meta AI chat or the search bar, type /imagine followed by a creative prompt. Imagine typing, imagine a golden retriever wearing sunglasses at the beach. Within seconds, your desired image will magically appear. You can then tap the image to save it, share it with friends, or even remix it if inspiration strikes. An optional feature you may find handy is using Meta AI in comments. If this feature is available in your region, you'll notice AI suggested comment summaries or responses. You have the option to turn these off by tapping and selecting Turn Off Comment Summaries if they're not to your liking. For those accessing Facebook on a desktop, Meta AI is easy to find. Simply go to facebook.com, and in the top search bar, you should spot the Ask Meta AI feature. Type any question or prompt, and you'll see the results displayed in line for a seamless desktop experience. Finally, there's much more to discover with Meta AI. Depending on your region, it might also summarize group chats, recommend Facebook groups or pages, or generate creative ideas for posts and events. Dive in and explore the possibilities that Meta AI offers to enrich your Facebook adventures. Happy exploring. Happy